How to log into Gmail account in laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Gmail account in your laptop or PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Gmail, and after you search for Gmail, you'll find the Gmail login option. So there you can see email login Gmail. You can tap on that. After you tap on that, you will see the option to create an account or simply sign in. Tap on the sign in option. After you tap on sign in, you'll simply need to type in your email address. So type your Gmail, and after you do that, tap on the next button. Let me correct that. And tap on the next button. After you tap on the next button, you'll be prompted to enter out your password. So type in your password, and after you type in your password, if you want to look at it, you can tap on this show password option as well. And if you've forgotten your password, you can go ahead and reset it by tapping on forgot password option. Finally, tap on next. And after you do that, you will be signed in into your account. So tap on continue right here if you want to add a passkey. If not, tap on not now. And after you do that, you will get logged in into your account. So let's just cancel this for now. Skip that. You can go through all of this as well if you want. If not, there you go. You've just logged in into your Gmail account on your laptop or your PC. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.